So today we are going to be talking about the cloud computing and security concerns. Welcome everyone. Today I'll walk you through the fundamentals of cloud computing, its service and deployment models, and the security and compliance considerations that come with it. This presentation will help guide our organization as we transition to the cloud environment. Cloud computing, the definition, it's delivery of computing services, servers, storage, databases, networking, software over the internet. And the points to note here is cloud computing provides scalable IT resources over the internet. It eliminates the need for physical infrastructure while improving flexibility, scalability, and cost efficiency. Cloud service models. We have 4 types of cloud service models, which include software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service, and desktop as a service. And those are their examples. Points to note here are each cloud model delivers varying levels of control, flexibility, and management. SaaS delivers fully managed applications, while the IaaS infrastructure as a service gives us infrastructure control, and the desktop as a service is great for virtual desktops. Cloud deployment models. There are actually 4 types of cloud deployment models, which are the private cloud, public cloud, hybrid cloud, and community cloud. Deployment models dictate how cloud services are delivered. A hybrid model, for example, combines on-premises and cloud for flexible data handling and security control. Virtualization in the cloud. Virtualization in the cloud, sorry. We have the virtual machine hypervisors, which is we have type 1 and type 2 hypervisors. Then we have the containers. These are all virtualization in the cloud. Virtualization enables multiple operating systems to run on a single host. It's the foundation of cloud computing, allowing efficient, isolated environment to host applications and services. Service-oriented architecture. We have the definition, which is designing applications as independent services that communicate over a network. Its benefits include scalability, reusability, and agility. Examples are microservices in AWS or Azure. Points to note here are the service-oriented architecture and microservices enable modular cloud application development, increasing fault tolerance, and enabling teams to develop service independently. Security in the cloud. Common threats for this kind of cloud computing are the data breaches, misconfiguration, insider threats, and some mitigations for these threats are the MFA, that's a multi-factor authentication, encryption, identity access management, and implementing logging. Shared responsibility model. Cloud security requires a shared responsibility model. The provider secures infrastructure, but we must secure our application data and access control. The legal and privacy considerations, data location and sovereignty, e.g. the GDPR, compliance, HIPAA. These are the framework that deals with compliance, which include the HIPAA, SOC 2, ISO 27001, data ownership and retention policies. It's critical to understand where data resides and who controls it. Compliance with regional laws and framework is essential for avoiding legal risks. Comparison table, we have the factor on premises and cloud-based. Local resources on premises is going to be high, and the cloud base will be low. Control, when you're on premises, you have full control of data or resources. And on the cloud base, it is a shared responsibility. Network dependency on premises is low, and on the cloud, we actually need network to work in the cloud, which is the reason for the high. Security level, we have manual plus centralized, while we have the cloud base, we have distributed plus layered. In conclusion, cloud is scalable and agile, but demands new security and governance strategies. Recommendations. My recommendation would be to start with hybrid, that's on-premises and cloud, apply zero trust security and invest in cloud native tools. As we migrate, we must pair technical innovation with rigorous policy and security controls. A phased approach with strong cloud governance will ensure success. Thank you for listening. And these are some references. You can check out these references for further explanation or to going in detail. Thank you.